Hey everybody, we're here at Sam's Real Estate Club. Look at that. They do investment training, they do educational
Fresh
motivation.
raspberries.
They provide nutrition. That's Sam.
Thank you.
So the VIP investment training programs, they have educational, motivational workshops. They have great blackberries. A VIP networking lounge, private and conventional lending. They buy, sell, and finance, and they do apartment building partnerships. How cool is that? How do people contact you guys? Can they go to samsrealestateclub.com?
Yeah, you go to samsrealestateclub.com, or you can go call the phone number there. Or you can also go to our sister club, which is Greater LA RIA, and then you'll find Sam's Real Estate Club there too.
Where does it? Greater Los Angeles
Real Estate Investors Association. And I know that's super long. That's why we just say Greater LA RIA. Run out of breath before you can finish.
Yeah. And you have an event coming after you?
Yes. So Lloyd Siegel sitting over there. He's actually going to be the speaker for our July 18 meeting, and it's actually a special one because it's our 1-year anniversary. So not only are we going to have our networking, vendor tables, and educational meeting as we always do every third Thursday of the month, but we're also going to have goodie bags, cupcakes, and raffles too. So you don't want to miss it.
Look at that. That's why we have all those balloons there and
Yeah.
everything, man. It's a party.
That's right. It's a party.
And will you get some educational stuff going on as well?
Some education. We're going to be talking about how to acquire foreclosure property, which is really good right now. And this time that real estate's a little unstable and a little uncertain. So yeah, you're going to get a lot of educational material and your goodie bag for you to go. So I won't say what's in the goodie bag because that's a surprise.
But it'll be good.
But it'll be good, exactly.
Hence the name, Goodie Bag.
That's right.
Oh, that's so great. Okay, thank you, Allie.
Thank you.
Sam's Real Estate Club, samsreclub.com. Okay, talk to you. Comment, like, share, subscribe.